Welcome to Success Talks with Rodney Salisbury. I hope you will support my sponsors who bring you this podcast absolutely free and with limited interruptions. I really appreciate you taking the time to listen. I'll get started in just a second.
The reviews are in. The book from voiceover superstar and coach Rodney Salisbury is another runaway hit. Readers from all over the world are raving about tongue twisters and vocal warm-ups. You can find this and his other titles at the top of the voiceover bestsellers list on Amazon.
Thomas Mesereau is a very famous attorney at law. You are very familiar with the trials that he has worked on. His accomplishments in the courtroom are extraordinary and unprecedented. He wins white-collar and non-white-collar trials in federal and state courts. He's best known for acquitting the late Michael Jackson in his world-famous trial in Santa Barbara, California. Mr. Jackson was acquitted of all 14 charges in a child molestation indictment. Are you looking for expert advice on advancing your voiceover career? Are you just getting started in the business? Join the Consultants Club and receive monthly coaching on how to read scripts, interpret copy, and get work in the fastest growing business in the world. When you join the Consultants Club, go to RodneySalisbury.com and sign up today. But you know what? Mr. Mesereau has accomplished far more than the Michael Jackson case. In fact, Tom Mesereau appears on the cover and is featured in the premiere 2015 edition of Attorney at Law magazine. And in that same year, he was named Trial Lawyer of the Year. Tom Mesereau was born in West Point, New York. He was raised in New York City and Englewood, New Jersey. He attended St. Cecilia's Grammar School, Bergen Catholic High School, and Phillips Academy. He graduated with honors from Harvard University. He earned a Master's of Science degree from the London School of Economics and his law degree from the University of California's Hastings College of Law. Today, Mr. Mesereau is a member and president of the Litigation Council of America, a trial lawyer honorary society representing approximately 3,500 fellow trial lawyers.
Hello everyone, this is Shawn Daly for dailyvo.com. I want to tell you about one resource I highly recommend for vocal warm-ups because it takes out all of the guesswork and it was purpose-built with voiceover in mind. It's called Rodney Salisbury's Tongue Twisters and Vocal Warm-Ups with Other Vocal Care Tips. How's that for a title? So in case you don't know, Rodney Salisbury is a top-tier talent and coach, motivational speaker, and author of several books on voice acting, including You Can Bank on Your Voice and Step Up to the Mic. The book is available in print and on Kindle, and you can find it at Amazon or Rodney's personal website, RodneySalisbury.com, in the store section.
Mr. Mesereau also defends physicians facing criminal conviction or medical board discipline. And I don't want you to leave this podcast thinking that you can't use his services because you're not a name, you're not a star, you're not someone that is known throughout the world. Thomas does a lot of pro bono work, too. And we'll be back after this message.
Baby, come give me something.
You Can Bank on Your Voice, second edition. Get your copy at Amazon.com. Get the audiobook on Audible.com. You Can Bank on Your Voice, second edition. Get your copy today. In fact, he co-founded and he co-manages a free legal clinic, the Mesereau Free Legal Clinic. It's in South Los Angeles. This clinic meets at a church in the African-American community 2 Saturdays a month. Judges, lawyers, law students, college students donate their time and they provide counsel to disadvantaged residents of Los Angeles County. Graylin Brown, the new novel by Rodney Salisbury. It's the heartwarming story about a family in Detroit. The Motown sound was alive and well. The Philly soul sound was alive and well. And the big three automakers were making wonderful cars every day. Graylin Brown, the novel. Get your copy at Amazon.com or wherever books are sold. The Mesereau Free Legal Clinic invites guest speakers who specialize in various legal subjects. federal and state judges, as well as the District Attorney of Los Angeles County, have participated through the years. The clinic is known for its successful efforts in expungement of criminal convictions and certificates of rehabilitation. The Mesereau Free Legal Clinic participates in community events, including job fairs and outreach to drug rehabilitation programs. Volunteers that work with Tom Mesereau also support In Action Family Network. That's a nonprofit organization that conducts outreach to homeless children and women in drug recovery. It is the goal of Mesereau Free Legal Clinic that each client, that's you and me, is treated with the utmost respect and courtesy, regardless of income, circumstances, or station in life. And we here at Success Talks are proud to celebrate the outstanding career of attorney Thomas Mesereau.
You can listen to any of Rodney's podcasts at any time. Go to RodneySalisbury.com.
I hope you enjoyed this podcast, and I urge you to listen to future podcasts where I will continue to try and make you better than before. My goal is to point you in a positive direction to success, right here on Success Talks with me, Rodney Salisbury.